Hey guys, do you want to see how cool is your texting game? Where do you lie on the Rizzometer? I made an AI Rizz Detector. This AI rates your texting game and exposes bad texting. So before texting your crushes, let's use this AI and see where is your Rizzometer. So for that, we'll need some pip modules, which is, we'll install rich. Okay, so after that I have a Python script that I've written, okay, which has only rich as a module and random, which is an inbuilt module, and then whatever you text, it will give you response if it's better to text, if it has a good Rizz material, if it's jester or try hard, it will tell you everything. So let's try it. Okay, so I'll run this python windows.py, and we have gotten into the terminal. Okay, so let's say hi. So it says crime maxing, so this was not a good text. Okay, let's say you up. Again, dry maxing. It got 1 out of 10 score. So this tells you that these are not good responses. Okay, so if you want to text your crush and need to understand what are good responses, please use this, tell your friends, and maybe add something better to the script. I'll have this script linked in the description, and that's that. Enjoy your Rizzometer and let me know. Like, share, and subscribe.